Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make formulas work automatically in Microsoft Excel. So like if you use the any formula like some formula, so we have to select firstly this cell. Like we have some numbers and if you use the some formula here, so here the answer. And guys, if you change any value, so it will appear automatically. So how it's working? So if you change the value, so it will not appear here and it will not using the automatic formula. So how you fix it? Click on formula, calculation option, and here select automatic. So now you change value, so it will change here like this. So this is the way guys you can use and make formula work automatically. Thanks for watching.